Here's how you can download Minecraft for free on your PC or laptop, and the process is actually very simple. First, open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Minecraft Trial and press Enter. You'll see several results, but make sure you select the official Minecraft website. Look for the page that says something like Minecraft free for different devices and open it. Once you're on the official page, scroll down until you find the download options. Choose the operating system you're using. In this case, I'm using Windows 10 or Windows 11, so I'll select the Windows option. Make sure you choose the Java Edition download. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder from the browser's top right corner. Find the Minecraft installer file and click the option to show it in the folder. You can then drag the file onto your desktop for easier access. Now, simply open the installer file. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Install to begin installing Minecraft on your computer. Once the installation process finishes, click Let's Go. The next step is to sign in with your Microsoft account. One important thing to remember is that the account you use should not have been used to play Minecraft before. If you don't already have a Microsoft account that has never been linked with Minecraft, click on the Microsoft account option and create a new account. After creating your account, the Minecraft launcher will open. Click Sign in again and log in with your new Microsoft account details. Once you're logged in, select Play Java from the top navigation menu. On the left side, you'll see Minecraft start downloading additional files. When the download is complete, you'll be ready to launch and start playing Minecraft for free. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.